What's up, stock traders? My name is What the Duck from Pennyboy's Stock Alerts, and in this video we'll be going over the Parabolic SAR indicator. So last video we went over the ATR, or the Average True Range indicator. We showed how to use it to measure volatility, day trade, as well as set stop losses. Another way to set a stop loss, or a manual trailing stop loss, is by using the Parabolic SAR indicator. So the Parabolic SAR indicator on Webull is the SAR, so you go to Edit Indicators, you go to your main chart, and you go to SAR. It is up here in the main chart, not down here in the subchart like the ATR from last video. So the Parabolic SAR indicator is used to help determine the direction of a stock, as well as find entry and exit points. So basically it helps us find the trend of a stock and reversal areas. The SAR indicator is a bunch of dots, either above or below the price, as you can see. When the dots are above the price, they will be red, showing bearish energy, and when the dots are below the price, they will be green, showing bullish energy. When the dots change colors, it can show possible reversal, so from green to red or from red to green, mixed with other indicators. So this indicator works best during a current trend. So if the stock is moving sideways, like it is right here, or consolidating, then this indicator can give false signals, kind of like the super trend indicator, and I'll put a link to my super trend indicator at the end of this video. Another way to use this indicator besides looking for trends and reversals is to use it to figure out where to sell. So you can use the Parabolic SAR indicator to help determine a stop loss. So this method works like a trailing stop loss. So it's during an uptrend, you can set your stop loss where the Parabolic SAR dots are. And the dots will rise and fall as the price does, just as the trailing stop loss does. And when the uptrend breaks, that is where you would sell, moving your stop loss up as the stock goes up, based on where the dots are. So let me go ahead and show you. So in theory, if this was a big movement up, I know we're looking at the daily, but if this was like a big movement up, so you would get in here, you would set your stop loss at these green dots. Let's go ahead and look at the minute chart actually as well. So you would, let's look for a nice, see these are kind of consolidating. So like we said, during these consolidation areas, the stock tends to, or this indicator tends to give false signals due to it consolidating. But for instance, like around here, you would get in, you can see it reverses here. You can use other indicators as well to see that it's a good entry to get in. You get in, and then you set your stop loss where these dots are. So the stock's up here, trading at 1.45. You'll set your stop loss at 1.41, and then you can move it up as the stock moves up. And then right here is where it crosses, and that's where you would consider selling. You would either A, sell, or B, look at other indicators to see if it really is a good time to sell, or if this is just a false indication, maybe it's just a little bit of pullback during a current uptrend. In this case, it looked like it actually ended up being around the top. So this is where you would set your stop loss. You would just kind of move it up as the dots go up. And that is setting a stop loss, or you can just get into a stock and then just set your stop loss. Like, so if you get into the stock right here, you set the stop loss here, and then just as it goes up, then you can just either A, wait until it hits your target, or B, and then revisit your stop loss by setting a trailing stop loss like we just went over. So this works best for day traders, or if you're in a swing trade and trying to find a good exit point for the long term. You could also use it as a long-term investor to determine when to exit a position based on the daily chart. So for day traders, you would use the minute chart, and then for swing or long-term investor, you use this daily chart, kind of to determine when to set a stop loss, or mostly just when to sell, and if the stock is trending up or down. So this indicator, like I said, might give off fake buy or sell signals. It can also be due to price pullback or spikes. It's always safest to follow the buy signals during an uptrend and the sell signals during a downtrend. So for example, if the stock is trending down, you might not want to buy solely based on a buy signal from the SAR indicator. This is why it's important to have other indicators in your trading arsenal to determine reversals. This is just a good indicator to use as far as a support point when you're already in a current trend. You want to also use, when these reverse, you want to also use like other indicators like the MACD or other indicators we went over in past videos to confirm that it is actual reversal and not just healthy pullback. So I do have a playlist in this channel with a bunch of charting help videos going over a bunch of indicators. So make sure to check that out. I'll also be posting more videos each week. So make sure to subscribe to WTD Penny Boys so that you can be notified when those come out. Also, be sure to subscribe to Penny Boy's Stock Alerts. We do live trading every Wednesday, as well as a bunch of different live streams and advanced trading help at Penny Boy's Stock Alerts YouTube. So basically, make sure to check that out. So, like I was saying before, with the fake buy and sell signals, this indicator is best when used with other indicators. It is really important to have other indicators in your trading arsenal. So in the next few videos, I will be going over other indicators that were invented by Willis Wilder, just like the Parabolic SAR indicator, just like the average true range indicator, which we went over last video. And we already went over the RSI in PBU, that's Penny Boys University, and the RSI is the relative strength index. And that can show overbought and oversold conditions, and this is a very common indicator, a very popular indicator, just like the moving average. So let's go ahead and bring up the moving average. So here we go. You got your moving average here. You want to make sure that it has more. So I'm going to do the 200. Let's just do the 60 and the 20. And press done. Now I'm going to get rid. Actually, no, I'm going to leave the SAR indicator. So the moving average, just like the RSI, is a very popular indicator. The RSI was invented by Willis Wilder. The moving average was not. But the moving average is a very useful indicator to use alongside the Parabolic SAR. So one way of doing this is by looking at a longer term moving average, such as the 180 or 200-day moving average, or just 180 and 200 period moving average. If the Parabolic SAR is showing sell signals while the price is below the long-term moving average, so you have your 200-day moving average here in the gold, so this line right here. If you're seeing sell signals while the price is below this 200-day moving average, meaning it's showing somewhat of a long-term downtrend, the sell signals could be on the stronger side. If the moving average, the 200-day moving average, is below the price, so if the price is above the moving average, that's showing strength as far as the trend goes, and the buy signals will be stronger. So when you have your moving average right here, you have the moving average on top of the price, and you see the sell signals might be a little bit stronger than the buy signals. And if you see the moving average below the price, that's showing uptrend and that's showing strength, and then the buy signals will be the stronger signal to use. So it's good to use your red and to use your green buy signals during uptrend and your red sell signals during downtrend, and then to mix other indicators to determine reversals. So the Parabolic SAR indicator is typically used by day traders who want to take advantage of high momentum moves, which they can get in and out of on that trade. So let me see if any of these stocks had a big move. I know ZOM, for instance. I think that one, ZOM. So like in theory, you would use this to kind of determine when to, where to set your trailing stop loss. You'd be in, you'd be out right around here once it hits that stop loss, and that'd be a good day trade. And that's on the 1 minute chart. So this is very similar to the super trend indicator, and the ATR can show you some of the same things as the standard deviation indicator. So if you missed the videos on those, make sure to check them out. It's in this channel, as well as some other trading videos also in this channel, like some options trading videos going over the Greeks and options tradings, among other videos. Or you can go to pbalerts.com/stock trading university and go to the free alerts section. There you can find free alerts as well as some free trading classes going over charting indicators, how to trade while working 9 to 5, and a few other bonus topics. There are handouts as well as a video going over the PBU topics. This is the same format as the Penny Boys University 3-month trading class program. So in the trading class program, there's 24 classes. You get a video per class, a handout per class, and homework. And if you get 100% on the homework, you get raffle tickets for the weekly $75 cash giveaway. So PBU is a 3-month program. It's 24 classes. We go over everything from trading strategy, psychology, charting, candles, and of course, creating a trading plan. There are also advanced trading classes as well. And PBU 2021 quarter 1 just started and it is not too late to join. So check out the free Discord at pbalerts.com/stock trading university. That's pbalerts.com/stock trading university. And if you want to join our premium alert service, check out pbalerts.com and use the code WTD5 for $5 off. You get premium alerts, a 3-month trading class program with 24 classes, cash giveaways, and an amazing trading community. It's all included with the premium memberships. And with that 3-month trading class program, you also get access to the Penny Boy guides as well as the class teacher. You'll have access to them on the chats. They'll always be around there. At least one person is usually around pretty much 24/7. So it's not a kind of program where you just get a bunch of videos and handouts and we say good luck. We're actually there to answer questions, and if you want to message us, you can feel free to message us. So next video we will be going over a few more indicators that were invented by Wallace Wilder. So I hope to see you there. We have our PBU live stream coming up on Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern time zone. That's this Thursday, so make sure to subscribe to this channel to get the link to that stream. And we will be doing $75 cash giveaways during that stream and going over some more charting indicators and trading tips. So join pbalerts.com/stock trading university for free to see how to enter the raffle. It's free to join. So be sure to like and subscribe and join me, What the Duck, on Thursday for the PBU live stream. But until then, I hope that you all make some bread.